In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your website to MailChimp newsletter. So if you've got a MailChimp newsletter account and you want your website, you want to collect newsletter subscribers via your website, what you need to do is firstly add a subscription form into your website. Okay, so this can be done within the page builder that we use. So I'm just going to add a new page now just to show you how it's done. I'm going to call it newsletter. Obviously you might want to add the subscription form to any existing page that you've already got, but I'm just going to create a blank page and just add the form into that. So because I'm going to be using the page builder, I need to click the page builder tab. Okay, so it's given me my blank page, and what I'm going to do now is just add 2 columns, and in those 2 columns I'm going to put a bit of text in here and a newsletter sign up in here. Okay, so I just go back to modules, and then I'm just going to drag a newsletter, or sorry, a text editor across. A little bit of text, make this into a header. Okay, and in this one here I'm going to put the subscription form. So what I need to do is click the plus button at the top. Okay, and I'm going to search for the subscribe form. So I'm going to click the search icon and then type in there subscribe. Yeah, and so you can see there are 3 different subscribe forms from different modules. They're slightly different, but I'm just going to use the standard one here. Some of these might have different formatting and styling options, okay, but normally this one should be fine. I'm just going to drag and drop that in there. Okay, now at the top here it's going to ask me what service I'm going to be using, so I'm going to connect this one to MailChimp. Yeah, so I want to choose, obviously you can see all the different newsletters providers down here, and you can select any one that you use. When you select it, it will give you a little bit of info if you hover over the question mark. Okay, and what to put in here. Account name, so this can be anything you like, so I'm just going to call it website. And then down below here it wants us to put an API key in. Yeah, so it says put your API key in, go log into your MailChimp account and go to account extras and API keys. Yeah, so I'm just going to log into my MailChimp account now. Yeah, so if I go to my account and then to account, and then I go to extras and then to API keys. Okay, so I haven't got any API keys here at the moment, so what I need to do is click create a key and scroll down, and then it gives me my API key here. Yeah, so I can just copy that and then go back to my newsletter page and paste that in there. Okay, and then click connect. Once that's connected, now it's going to let me choose my account. Yeah, so I'm going to choose the website one that I just selected. Yeah, and then the list. Yeah, because now it's connected to my MailChimp account. It's going to list here all of the newsletter lists I've got within my account. So I've only created one at the moment called Health Hosts. Yeah, so I'm just going to select that, and then I'm just going to click save. Yeah, more obviously options on formatting and everything are all in here. Yeah, but you can see I'm just using the standard. Yeah, layout. If I wanted it to be inline, so yeah, so like that, yeah, or stacked, yeah, and then you can change the button colors in here and stuff like this. All right. So that's now connected to my MailChimp newsletter. I'm just going to click done now and then publish. Okay, and that's it. So I could put my people can start subscribing now. Yeah, thanks for subscribing. Please check your email for further information. Then the person who's subscribing will get an email in their mailbox, which then to click the link to confirm, and then they'll be added to your mailing list. Okay, so that's how to add a subscription form into a page. Like I say, you can edit any page and you can add a subscription form anywhere in there. You may have a website that's already got a newsletter within it. So for example, this one, it's just a demo site. Okay, but in the footer of this demo site, and you may have one as well. So in a footer or a side column somewhere, you may have a newsletter box already there that you want to configure and set up to connect to your newsletter list. Yeah. So to do this within this footer area, what we need to do is go into the dashboard and go into Builder and then into Theme Layouts. So it's not in there. So in this, so it's either going to be in Theme Layouts or Templates. Yeah. So there's just a header in here. So in Templates, yeah, you'll see I've got a footer section here. So this is basically the footer section of the website. If I want to edit this, so I'm going to edit the footer section, because this template, this section appears on all the pages. Yeah, it's not just on one page. So I'm going to edit the footer section by launching the page builder, and as you can see, here is the newsletter here. Yeah, so I can then just click this. At the moment it won't be connected to any list, it's just connected to an email. Yeah, so I can then select, yeah, from this drop down my account and then just add all the details in as I just did on that other one. Okay, and once done, just, you know, publish it. Okay, so that's how to connect your website up to a MailChimp.